today's video, I'm going to explain to you how to apply false lashes like a pro. My name is Nisa. I'm a professional bridal hairstylist and makeup artist and the owner of Blanc on Location Bridal Salon located here in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. And our team of professional bridal hairstylists and makeup artists do hundreds of weddings each year. So applying lashes is something that we are very good at. One important part when choosing the right set of lashes for your eye shape is really to consider your own lash density and your eye shape. So a lot of times if I want to widen the eyes, I'll choose a pair of lashes that has more of the density through the center. And if I want to elongate, I'll choose lashes that are longer on the outside. So the first step in applying lashes is to first measure and trim the lashes according to your natural lash line. You want to trim them so that they don't go all the way into the center. The front part of the lashes you'll want to measure so that they kind of blend with your own natural lashes. I would say about 2 centimeters to 3 centimeters from your tear duct. The next step is to curl them with your lash curler. Here I'm taking note of her natural curvature in her own lashes. She had fairly straight lashes, so we curled them a little bit beforehand. You want to have the lashes curled so that they match the curvature of your client's lashes. If they do have straight lashes, you want to have them curl them, but don't over curl them, because if they're curled too much, then the lashes will have a hard time setting or being placed on top of them. The next step is to apply a very thin layer of glue. You don't want to apply too much, because if you have too much lash glue there, it takes too long to dry, and that's where you can run into some problems, because let's face it, it's hard to hold your eyes still for that long when you're trying to place something around your eyes. So I usually use a fan to dry the lash glue a little bit so it's tacky before I start. I usually start applying from the center and I move it out towards the outside. Different artists do it different ways, but I like it this way just because that way I know exactly where it's going to start. And then I can kind of see I'm stretching her lash line, the skin on her lash line just a little bit. That step is important because it helps it to be more comfortable. You know, a lot of times when people skip this step, your lashes just pull on your skin and it feels really uncomfortable the whole time. So here you'll see on the right, she has lashes on the left she does not. And the next step I like to apply, well, after I dry it a little bit with a fan, I will apply another layer of mascara. So I'm going to put on the second one. I'm going to go really fast through the editing. I'm not going to walk you through the second eye because it's the exact same step. I buy this little tool from Joann's Fabrics. You can buy it at any sewing store. It's really made for knitting, but I like it to help place the lash or push the lash down if you need to, and then kind of pop the lash up so that it frames the eye. That tool really helps so that you can make sure that the glue is in the right place and that the eyelash is actually popping up rather than applied facing down, if that makes any sense. So lastly, I'll apply some mascara. I like to use a fan brush while I'm applying mascara, and then I use my nail to kind of put their natural lash and bind it with the falsies. That way you don't see their lashes, and in the photographs you don't see the reflection of the false lashes because you've covered them with mascara. So the moment of truth, I think she likes it.